Want to automate Google search tasks and save at least hours? Let me show you how you can do this with Google Custom Search API. We'll use Google Custom Search API to automate web searches for any topic you want, and it's very powerful. So let's proceed first with the setup. Head on the Google Cloud, go to the console, top right corner, and search for Search API. Make sure to enable this, and also if you don't have yet the credentials for this, go here to try this API and click on the Get a Key button. Select your project, and if you don't have, just create one. It's easy to set up. Click Next and get the key. Therefore, go to create a Google search engine if you don't have already. Let's click on this one. In my case, I already have it. You'll have to add a newer one and to customize as you want. After you grab the search engine ID, you'll use them in the configuration here. So let's go to the HTTP request. We have the URL where we hit the Google API. Going down at the query params, you have the key and the Google Search API key. Also, I do recommend to use environment variables. This is the best method and the safest method. Add CX variable and also the Google Search Engine ID API. And after that, you can add like the query. In my case, I look into the advertising agencies in Toronto. Here, if you want to select the country, in my case, it's Canada. You have everything in the documentation, which is here. And let's proceed now with the business flow. So what happens? Basically, we are searching, we are querying the Google Search API, where it will generate us a minimum, like the maximum of 10 queries, unless you change the parameters. After that, we are filtering the data, splitting the list, and we are splitting out the data that is not relevant for us. And when we are ready, we push the data in the Google Sheet on the cloud. The process is very simple, and I'll show you briefly. It takes a few seconds. Amazing. And let's open the console to see every output for each node. So here we have the query, going to the filtering data. Here we are splitting the data, the lists. All right. Further, we are splitting out what we don't need. And further, we can see the output. Isn't that amazing? And if we go to the Google Sheet, we can also verify the data here. Amazing. That was all. You'll find the JSON in the description. If you have any questions or suggestions, please don't hesitate the comment section, and see you next time.